Hi children, good morning. This video, in this video we will discuss G main scheme which was yesterday conducted. I hope you are all wrote well this section. The first question is the units digit of here 1257 whole power 193. That's so for this one the units digit of 1257 whole power 193 is same as 7 power 193. 7 power 193 equal to 7 power 4 into here 193 by 4. 4 4 16. 33 means 8 times 32. 1 is the remainder. So we can write it as 4 into 48 plus 1. Now it is in the form of 4k plus 1. Therefore, the required units digit is 7. The required units digit is 7. Next, second question. Here 1 0 1 0 1 to the base 5. Okay, equal to dash. First of all, we need to convert 10105 to the base 5. Mean 1 5 25 125 625. So here the number is 625. Here 1 into 25 25. Here 1 into 1 650 plus 1 651 to the base 10. Answer is not given. Here 651 in terms of base 9. Okay, two numbers below depends on base 9. So here 7 times 7 and 63 21. 2 times 3. Next 8 0 here 8 8 0 3 to the base 9. 8 0 3 to the base 9 is the required answer for the given second question. Next third one. The number of divisors of 496 by calculation 2 times 248 again 2 times 124 2 times 62 2 times 31 mean 2 power 4 into 31 power 1. So here number of factors 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 mean 5 into 2 10. Okay, here 10 is the required answer. 10. Next, which one of the following is used by 99? The number is divisible by 99 if and only if it is divisible by 9 and 11 both. So the required answer is 196119. Here 1 plus 7 plus 1, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19. 19 minus 8 equal to 11. It is divisible by 11. And here 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1, 9, 9, 9, 27 is the sum. So it is divisible by both 9 as well as 11. That's why the required number is divisible by 99. Fourth case. Next. Fifth one. The sum of divisors of 192. 192. First of all, prime factorization of 192 is 96. We have 48, we have 24, we have 12, we have 6, 3. So 2 over 6 into 3. 192 equal to 2 over 6 into 3 over 1. So sigma means sum of divisors of 192 equal to 2 over 6 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 2 over 7, 128 minus 1, 127 by 1 into the 3 square, 9 minus 1, 8 by 2 means 4. So 508 is the required answer. 508 for the fifth one. Next, sixth one, the unit series of 2 power 100 and 2 power 4 into 24 plus 4 is 6 units series. 3 power 100 and 3 power 4 into 24 plus 4 1. 4 power 100. Here the 4 power even is 6. Next, 5 power 100. 5 power n equal to 5. So here 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So the unit digit is 8. The required unit digit is 8. The required unit digit is 8. Next. Seventh one. Here 102 base 3 plus 304 base 5. And here 102 means 131. It gives 9 plus 11. To the base 10. Next 304 to the base 5. So 1, 5, 25. 325 is 75 plus 4 ones are 4 means 79 to the base 10. Therefore, 102 to the base 3 plus 304 to the base 5 equal to 11 plus 79, that is 90 to the base 10. 90 to the base 10 is the required one. Next, eighth one. The product of factors of 36. Product of factors of 36. First of all, 36 equal to 2 square into 3 square. Number of factors of 36 are 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, then 3 into 3. 9 means for square number. Okay, if the given composite number is a perfect square, number of factors is odd. Now, product of factors equal to 36 whole power half of d of n. So, 36 whole power half into 9. 36 means 6 square whole power 1 by 2 into 9. So, 6 power 9. 6 power 9 is the required answer. 6 power 9 is the required. Next, 9 here 4 power 2019 plus 5 power 2019. There you go. We have x power n plus y power n is divided by or divisible by x plus y if n is odd. For odd numbers it is divisible by x plus y. Here 4 power 2019 plus 5 power 2019 is divisible by 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Here 2019 is odd. Okay, it is divisible by 9. Observe this. Next. Next, which is not the factor of 4 power 6n minus 6 power 4n, which is not factor of the. So first of all, which are factors of these things we need to find. Here 6 means 3 into 2n, 4 means 2 into 2n enough. Now here 4 cube whole power 2n minus 6 square whole power 2n. In here 4 cube means 64 whole power 2n minus 36 whole power 2n. Okay. Next 64 whole power n whole square minus 36 power n whole square. 64 power n plus 36 power n into 64 power n minus 36 power n. Here 4 power 6 n minus 6 power 4 n here. 6 means 3 into 2, 2 into 2. 4 cube means 64. 6 square means 36. Over 2 n power 2 n. I wrote a poem whole power n form. 64 power n whole square minus 36 power n whole square. A square minus b square form. A plus b 36 n plus 64 power n into 64 power n minus 36 power n. So here a power n. So now what x power n plus y power n is divisible by x plus y. Now it is divisible by 100. It is divisible by x power n minus y power n is divisible by x minus y. So we have 64 minus 36, 8 here 2. It is divisible by 28. It is divisible by 100 means also divisible by its factors. Here the numbers are 5. They give mean 5 is divisible by 100. That's why the number is divisible. 25 also divisible. 7 means 28 is given. That's why it is divisible by 7. Now it is not divisible by 3. Okay, product form only. The first number is divisible by 100. It is divisible by 100 mean also divisible by its factors. It is divisible by 6 mean divisible by 20, like that. Okay, here it is the given number is divisible by 100 mean it is also divisible by 2, 4, 5, 25, like that. Here it is divisible by 28 mean it is also divisible by 704. Okay, because it is divisible by largest one. Its factor also divisible. Next. Let me go. 11. Find the remainder when 38 plus 71 plus 85 is divided by 16. Here 38 by 16. The remainder is remainders I am writing here. Remainders. 38 by 16 6. 71 by 16. 16 fours 64. 7 is the remainder. 85. 16 5 is 80. So 5 is the remainder. So 6 plus 7 plus 5. 18. So 18 is divided by 16. The remainder is 2. The required remainder is 2. Otherwise, add all these and divide by 16. Okay, individual remainders. Then sum of the total remainder is also same. If you have doubt, once check that. 11. Next 12th one. Here 100 base 2, sorry 100 base 2, 100 base 3 plus 100 base 4, 100 base 5 is equal. So here 2 square 4, here 3 square, here 4 square, here 5 square. Okay, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 25, 45 plus 9, 54 to the base 10 is the required answer. Next, number of divisors of 4 power 5 into 6 cube. Don't do directly 5 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. That is wrong one, because after finding the prime factorization with respect to the unique factorization theorem only, we need to follow the number of divisors. Every composite number can characterize a product of primes in one and only one way. We need to find the prime factors. In 2 square whole power 5 into 2 cube into 3 cube. So 2 power 10 plus 3, 13 into 3 cube. Now, number of divisors for 4 power 5 into 6 cube equal to 13 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Mean 14 into 4, 56. 56 factors it has. 56 factors. Okay. Next. Here 14. Here 2x 9 3 5. 2x 9 3 5. It is equal by 3. They are asking 2 plus x plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 equal to here the 10 plus 9, 19 plus x. So instead of x we have 2, 5, 7, but the smallest they are asking, that is 2. So 19 plus 2, 21 divisible by 3, 19 plus 5, 24 divisible by 3, 19 plus 7, 8, sorry, yeah. 19 plus 8, 27 is also divisible by 3. Next, last one. Last one. 2 power 20 plus 8 power 20. And 2 power 4 into 505 plus 8 power 4 into 505. So multiple in 6 is the unit digit. Here also 6. 6 plus 6 12. That's why unit digit is 2. The required unit digit is 2.
Next, 16th question. A rationalizing factor of cube root of 81. Cube root of 81 can be written as cube root of 9 into 9 we can write. Means cube root of 9 square. To here order of the third is 3. Here 9 has a power 2. So one more 9 is required with respect to the cube root order 3. Cube root of 3. That means the rationalizing factor of the cube root of 81 is cube root of 9. Okay. See here, once again, cube root of 81 can be written as a cube root of 9 into 9, cube root of 9 square. If I multiply with the cube root of 9, then it becomes as a rational number. Cube root of 9 power 2 plus 1, that is equal to cube root of 9 power 3. 3 cube root cancel 9. 9 is a rational number. So what is the number you multiplied? Cube root of 9. That is your rationalizing factor of cube root of 81. And the 17th question. The positive square root of 11 minus 2 root 13. Already during the videos we discussed about how to find out the positive square root. Now when a third is in the form of a plus or minus 2 root of b, square root is factors of b. Find out that one, c into d. If sum of these two factors is equal to a, then this only the result. That means here factors of 30 is 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 10 plus 3 13, but here 11, 6 plus 5 11. So root 6 and root 5. Since here minus is there, minus is your answer. Root 6 minus root 5. Next, the smallest number among the cube root of 4, fourth root of 5, fourth root of 7, cube root of 8. First of all, find out the LCM of these orders. 3, 4 is the LCM of 3, 4 is equal to 12. LCM of 3, 4 is equal to 12. Now make the orders equal. Each third order equate them. So to make it here, 3 is there. To get 12, so I have to multiply with 4. When you multiply with 4, here whatever the radicand is there, its power will raise that many times. 4 power 4. Next to fourth root, 4 into 3. 5. Here you multiply 3, so 5 will raise 3. Again 4 into 3. Again the 7 power also will raise into 3. Again 3 into 4. 8 power also will raise with 4. Now 4 power 4 is 12th root of 256. 12th root of 125. Again 12th root of 7 cube. 7 cube is 343, I think, if I am not wrong. Plus 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343. And next one is 12th root of 8 power 4. 8 8 is 64, 64, 64 is very big number only you get. Okay, 64 into 64. 4 4 is 16, 4 6 is 24 plus 1, 256. Again 256. 6, 11, 8, 2. 2, 8, 1, 6. So these are all numbers are bigger than this 125. Since the order of the thirds made are equal, so compare the radians. Among these 125 is the smaller value. fourth root of 5 is your answer. Fourth root of 5 is the smallest surd among the given surds. Next, 19th question. Nineteenth one. Just a second. Nineteenth question. 1 by square root of 12 minus root 140 minus 1 by square root of 8 minus root 60 minus 2 by square root of 10 plus root 84. 10 plus root 84. See here, first denominator, find out the square root. So generally, to find out the square root of a surd is in the form of a plus 2 root b form. I am trying to write. A plus 2 into root b means 1 by root of 12 minus root of 4 table. How many times you get? 4 3s are 12, 4 35 is. Means 4 if you take outside 2 will get. So 2 root 35. 2 root 35 minus 1 by root of 8 minus again 4 take outside 2 into 4 table 15. Okay, 15 4s are 60 minus 2 by root of 10 plus 4 you take outside here 2 into root of 21. Okay, now factors of 35 is 7 5s are 35 and here 5 3s are 15, here 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 5 12. So this result becomes as a root 7 minus root 5. Since here minus is there, minus by root of, this is root 5 minus root 3. Okay, minus 2 by root 7 plus root 3. Again, rationalize each and every surd here, each term. So this becomes as a root 7 plus root 5 by root 7 minus opposite line, conjugate of this one. Rationalizing factor, RF of root 7 minus root 5 is root 7 plus root 5. Multiply with this root 7, 1 into root 7 plus root 5 by this is a plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square, means root 7 minus root 7 whole square minus root 5 whole square. This becomes as a 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 by minus again rationalizing factor is RF is root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3 by this is also rationalizing factor is root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square is 2. Now minus 2 by 2 into RF is root 7 plus minus root 3 minus root 3. Okay, by 7 minus 3. Now this is equal to root 7 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 plus root 3 by 2 minus here 4 you get 2 into root 7 minus root 3 by 4. 4 table 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now take the common denominator 2. Then numerators as it is you get root 7 plus root 5. Now here minus is there. Minus into root 5 is minus root 5. Minus into plus is minus root 3. Here minus is there. Minus into plus minus root 7. Minus into minus. Yes. Minus into minus is plus root 3. Now root 3 cancel. Root 5 cancel. Root 7 cancel. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. 0 is your answer. This is your 19th question. And the 20th question. Question is the square root of 2 plus root 3. Okay, multiply by 2 and divided by 2. I need the square root, no? Here also square root and here also square root only. Okay, understood? Here, since I need to find out the square root of 2 plus root 3, this I write this one as a 2 plus root 3 by 1. Under root, to find out the square root, I have a one procedure. A plus 2 root b form, root b factors, so we used to find out. To get that one, I multiply inside the root by 2 and divided by 2. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 2 root 3 square root by 1 into 2 is 2. Root 2. Split this one, root a by root b. Now, here rationalizing factor of 3 is 3 1s are 3. So, root 3 plus root 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, more simplified means again one more time rationalization required. So, root 3 plus 1 by root 2 is your answer. Next, the cube root of 16 plus 8 root 5. Here for this one you don't have any shortcut to find out the cube root, sir. You don't have any shortcut to find out the cube root, so you go with the procedure only. If you go with the procedure, then you will get a 1 plus root 5 as your answer. Already we given a procedure, so for this one 1 plus root 5 we will get. Okay, procedure only, no other formation is required. Procedure is nothing but a cubing on the both sides, cube root. Okay, so this is, we don't have any other procedures, sir. You suppose that is the answer is finally 1 plus root 5 we get. So procedure is, let us assume that this is as x plus root y. So cubing on both sides, 16 plus 8 root 5 is equal to x plus root y whole cube. Now a plus b whole cube formula, expand it is 16 plus 8 root 5 is equal to a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. B square means root y will cancel y, plus b cube is y root y, because root y whole cube is root y into root y into root y, y root y. Now x cube plus 3xy plus rational number separate and irrational number separate them. So root y, if you take common, 3x square plus y. Now this first rational numbers equate them. X cube plus 3xy is equal to 16. By Taylor method, substitute the x value as a 1. Substitute any method, any value, substitute and simplify. 1 plus 3 into y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 3y is equal to 16 minus 1. Y is equal to 15 by 3. 3 1 are 3 5 are. Y is equal to 5. Okay, y is equal to 5 means substitute y value in this one, equation 1. Then what will get here? X cube plus 3 into x into y is 15 here. Substitute here. Y value substitute here, and you will get the x is equal to 1. Okay, 3 5 x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 is makes the condition true. So x plus root y is equal to 1 plus root 5. Your answer will be 1 plus root 5. Okay, y value 5 you got now. When you got y value 5, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. That is only the procedure, only the shortcut. We can apply the trilateral method at last. Or else you need to go every step by step procedure only, which we discussed in videos. And the next one is find the value of 22nd question. Find the value of root of 12 plus root of 12 plus root of 12 plus and so on. Let us assume that this total value is equal to x. Then root of 12 plus x from here to here, infinite terms. From that infinite terms, one term I x is equal to x. Now squaring on both sides, 12 plus x is equal to x square. X square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Factorize this. Okay, 4 3s are 12. X square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. 4 3s are 12. Product is minus 1 only. Now x common you take, x minus 4 plus 3 you take common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 3. I think we gave x is equal to 4 option only we gave. Another one is a positive 3 is there, positive 3 will not there in this one. Negative 3 will get. The geometric mean of 1 plus root 2 into 7 plus 5 root 2. Next 23rd question is already reading also you got it. The geometric mean is equal to square root of AB. Let us suppose A is equal to 1 plus root 2 and B is equal to 7 plus 5 root 2. A is equal to 1 plus root 2 and B is equal to 7 plus 5 root 2. You suppose them. Now geometric mean is equal to square root of 1 plus root 2 into 7 plus 5 root 2. Simplify this. 1 into 7 plus 5 root is 7 plus 5 root 2. And root 2 into 7 is 7 root 2. Plus into plus plus. 5 into root 2 into root 2, 10, 2. 5 2s are 10. That is equal to 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 5 plus 7 is 12 root 2. Now root of 17 plus 4, 2 you take here, take inside 6, 36. 2 into 6 square is 36, 36 2s are 72. Now factorize this one. Okay, now 12 6 are 72, 12 plus 6 is 18, but 17 only required. So 9 8s are 72. Root 9 plus root 8. Root 9 plus root 8 means 3 plus root 8 or else 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus root 8 plus 3 plus 2 root 2. Here option is not simplified one is given. 3 plus root 8 is there. So off that one. Next, mean proportional. Mean proportional is A is to B is equal to B is to C. Same like geometric mean only. Mean proportional. Mean proportional means A is to B is equal to B is to C. This is mean proportional. B square is equal to AC. B is equal to root AC. In the same way, simplify that. B is equal to mean proportional is mean proportional B is equal to root of root 11 minus root 5 into 13 root 11 minus 19 root 5. If I simplify this one again, I will get the answer as a root 33 plus root 15. Root 33 plus root 15 I get. Sorry, it is plus. This is plus. Okay. So this square root only we have to find out. Root 11 into 13 root 11 is 13 into 11. Plus into plus plus 19 into root 11 into 15. Minus into plus minus 13 into root 50. 5 into 11. Sorry, 5 not is 5 into 11. Minus into plus minus 5 19 into 5. That is equal to 11 13 jars. Okay, 11 13 jars. 143 here. 143. 19 minus 13 plus 6 root 55 and minus 19 5 jars 95. Now subtract them. You will get a value and find out the square root. Final conclusion is final answer is root 33 into 15 you will get. 15 or 5. Okay. Okay, 33 plus 15 will get. Root 33 plus 15. Because this is 143 minus 95 is 48 plus 2 into 3 take inside 3 square means 9. 9 5 are 45. 9 5 are 45 plus 4 495. Factorize this one. Okay, 495, 33, 15 jars. 15 3 are 45, 15 3 are 45 plus 4, 49. 33 plus 15 is 48. So your answer will be root 33, here plus is there plus root 15. Okay. And the next question is the fourth root of. The fourth root of means square root of 2 times you have to find out, sir. Fourth root of 193 plus 132 into root 2. That means the square root of 193 plus 2 into 66. 66 take inside 66 into 66 will get. Square now. Into 2 already is there. Now 11 6 are 66, 11 6 are 66 and 2. Means 11 are 121, 6 6 are 36, 2 are 72. Means 121, 72. Means square root of root 121 plus root 36, 2 are 72. Now that is equal to 11 plus root 72 means 2 outside to write down. Now 72 for 18 sir. 18 4 is 72. Now factorize this one. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So root 9 plus root 2. That means 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Next one is if square root of 15 minus x into root 14 is equal to root 8 minus root 7, then find the value of x. So procedure is squaring on both sides to apply here. 15 minus x into root 14 is equal to root 8 minus root 7 whole square. 15 minus x into root 14 is equal to 8 plus 7 minus 2 into root 8, 7 is 56. Now 15 minus x into root 14 is equal to 15 minus 2 root 56. Now equate these two terms here. Since 14 here, x root 14 is equal to 2 root 56. Simplify this one. X is equal to 4 I required. Then only you get this is here I need the 56. Here 56 is there, here 14 is there. To make this one 4 I require here. 4 I have to multiply. Okay. So equate them. Then you will get the x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. 15 minus 2 into 2 square 4 into 14. X is equal to 2 will get. Okay. Still you have any doubt? You make them here. It is a x root 14 is equal to minus 2 root 56. That is equal to x root 14 is equal to 2 into 4 14 jars 4 into 14. Now x root 14 is equal to 2 into 2 into root 14. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Next question. Square root of 11 plus 4 root 7 minus square root of 11 minus 4 root 7. Square root of 11 plus 4 root 7 minus of square root of 11 minus 4 root 7. Find out the square root here. Square root of 11 plus 2 into 2 square 4. 4 7 are 28 minus root of 11 minus 2 root 28. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 4s 28. So root 7 plus root 4 minus of root 7 minus root 4. Now root 7 plus 2 minus into plus minus root 7 minus into minus plus root 4 is 2. Root 7 cancel, 4 is your answer. Next, 4 plus root 15 whole power 3 by 2 plus 4 minus root 15 whole power 3 by 2 is equal to x root 10. This can be written as square root of 4 plus root 15 whole power 3 square root of 4 minus root 15 whole power 3 is equal to x root 10. Simplify this, then finally x value is equal to 7 will get solved. This is direct material question. X value, if you simplify, you will get the x value 7. And x is equal to root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Then find the x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. First of all, find out the 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Reciprocally. And then find out x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Take the LCM. 3 minus 2, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square plus root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. In the same way, here also a square plus b square plus 2ab by 3 minus 2. 2 root 6 cancel. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5 plus 5 by 1. X plus 1 by x is equal to 10. Now first find out squaring. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Standard formula. So this is equal to 10 square minus 2 is equal to 98 will get. 100 minus 2 is 98. Again I required power 4. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 again. One more time. So that is equal to 98 whole square minus 2. After simplification you will get as a 9602 will get. 9602 will get. Okay? That is 9604 you get here. Minus 2 is 9602. And the last question is the conjugate of 7 plus root 5. The conjugate of 7 plus root 5. Conjugate is nothing but a sum of the two surds is rational number as well as a product of the two surds also rational number. So just surd irrational number before sign you change it is conjugate of 7 plus root 5 is 7 minus root 5. 7 minus root 5 conjugate. Okay, even if they given a root 5 plus 7 also minus root 5 plus 7 only will take that. Okay, so 7 plus root 5 is 7 minus root 5. Okay, with this your key completed, sir. Next class we discuss. I think. Thank you.